Hi, this is Ben Holt, and this is my audio or video reflection for CIS 110. To start off, so the first question, what was my favorite part of the course? Well, my favorite part of the course was probably when we did the impromptu speeches. We had to give a speech in class on a topic that we were given, so we didn't have time to prepare. But it was cool. It was fun to see how people were able to give speeches when they didn't have time to prepare. So, next question. What was my biggest challenge? Well, my biggest challenge was probably the informative essay. I didn't do very well on it, or as well as I wanted to, but it took a lot of time and effort to write that essay. So, I would say for me, that was my biggest challenge. And I'm going to have to learn from my mistakes that I made in the essay so I can learn and improve in the future. What can future students do to be particularly successful? Make sure you proofread all your essays, speeches, and other homework because one, Professor Lawrence, she will spot out mistakes that you make, but also just she can be a tough grader at times, but just double check everything just to be safe. Also, make sure you read the APA format book because if you're used to using MLA, transitioning to APA might be a little bit of a tough transition. So, lastly, the last question: what are the big picture lessons that I'll take with me as I go through the rest of my college career? Well, I definitely have to learn from my mistakes, and I can never give up. That's really my number one. Just never give up. And for example, if I'm studying for a test and I do bad on it, next test, there's always going to be a next test. I need to learn from my mistakes and learn from what I did wrong during when I was studying, what I could have did differently, what I could have done differently to get a better grade on the test. For example, also looking back to the informative essay, if for learn from my mistakes, I need to look back, see what I did wrong, and make those changes in future essays so I do well on them. And so yeah, so just I need to learn from my mistakes and just never give up. So thank you, and once again, I'm Ben Holt, and this is my video reflection on CIS 110.